everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted some loose leaf teas. I am so excited. So disclaimer, I don't really use loose leaf teas, but I've been wanting to try them. So I am super excited. Let's do this all together. So I have my teapot all set. I have my water in here and we're going to go through the teas and then I'm going to show you how it turns out at the end. They come in this beautiful gift box. And then you get this really nice card that gives you some details about tea. And then also on the back, there is a guide which tells you how to make the tea. And there's the inside of the box. It's even pretty there. So this is like super giftable. So you get 4 different versions of tea. You get the black tea, white tea, I think it's called Pua, and Oolong. And then each of these versions, you get 3 different kinds of the black. So let me show you. So you get 3 different types of black. And then you get 2 different white teas, 2 different Pua teas, and an Oolong version. So I decided I wanted to try one of the white teas. So my choices are Moonlight White or Jing Yu White. Let's try the Jing Yu. Okay, so really nice to open right here. I'll show you the back of this, how pretty it is. So I'm just gonna open it up and that's what you get right there. Gonna open my teapot, pour this in, and then it says on here, I was really surprised at this, that for my white tea, so I put 120 milliliters of water in here, and then I have my 5 grams of tea, and then it gave me the temperature, so I figured that all out, and then I just need to let it steep for 10 to 20 seconds. That's it. So I'm gonna let this steep for a little bit and then we'll pour it and see what it's like. Everyone, I realized I made a mistake because I had my water in my teapot and then I put the leaves on top. They were just floating there. They weren't doing anything. So I poured a little more water on top of it. All of my tea leaves have sunk in and now my tea is steeping. Okay, it looks so good. So here are what my leaves look like at the end. And this is the tea. That looks so good. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, this is amazing. I'm used to just buying like the packets of tea at the grocery store. This is next level. It's like a little ritual. It does taste better. Again, I am not a tea connoisseur, but this really, really tastes great. So if you are looking for a fun way to explore teas or to give the tea lover in your life a special gift, check this out. Absolutely loving it.